When you're running a small business, dealing with payroll, benefits, compliance, and HR can feel like a full-time job on its own. That is exactly what a PEO is meant to help with. Bundling payroll, tax filings, back-office HR, and employee benefits into one partner. Two of the most popular names for small businesses are Justworks and TriNet. Both offer solid services, but they cater to somewhat different needs. I'll walk you through how each works, where they shine, and where each might fall short, so you can pick the one that fits your business best. Starting with Justworks. Justworks positions itself as a simple, transparent PEO that is built with small companies in mind. The pricing is publicly posted. For example, around $59 per employee per month on the basic plan, and you can see what you are getting up front. The platform is intuitive, something owners and HR admins mention as easy to learn. You get payroll processing, compliance support, onboarding, and basic benefits bundled in. One of the big advantages is its customer support: phones, email, chat, Slack, and a dedicated account manager for many clients. The user experience feedback is strong. According to reviews, Justworks scores high for ease of use and customer satisfaction. On the flip side, the trade-offs. Some more advanced HR features, deep custom integrations, or industry-specific solutions are less mature here. Also, time tracking or other add-ons might cost extra. Now let's look at TriNet. TriNet has been around longer, serves a wide range of industries, and offers more comprehensive HR services, including recruiting support, learning management, risk, legal services, and industry-specific tailored plans. For businesses that have more complex needs, say multiple states, heavy benefit demands, regulated industries, or need specialized HR support, TriNet tends to fit better. Also, its benefit plans may be broader or more customizable, thanks to its long time in the market. However, the major trade-offs: TriNet's pricing is not as transparent. You typically need to contact them to get a quote. The user feedback also indicates that while the support and features are strong, the platform may be heavier to use and less intuitive for smaller or less HR mature teams. Some users mention longer response times or less direct support. Justworks is your go-to for lean, straightforward PEO support that lets you outsource the HR burden without a lot of fuss. TriNet is your go-to when you need more depth, more customization, and you're willing to invest more time and complexity to get it. The right choice depends on how complex your business is today and how you expect it to grow. Either way, choosing a PEO that aligns with your size, industry, and growth plan will save you time, reduce risk, and let you focus on running your business rather than wrestling with HR admin.